Hello guys, welcome back to another tutorial. Today we will be doing bubble sort in Python. So the question is, what is bubble sort? Bubble sort can also be referred to as sinking sort. It's the one of the most simplest sorting algorithm. What it does is compare the adjacent items or elements in an array and then starts sorting them one by one, and it keeps iterating until the elements are sorted. So we will start on by writing a code. We will simply declare a function, let's say bubble sort is the name, and we'll pass an array as an argument to the function. So first of all, we need a loop to access each element in an array to iterate through the whole array. So that would be I in range, which is length of an array. Then we need to compare the elements of the array, so we will use another loop. Now we will just simply compare both the elements. Element jth with its right neighbor, and we will simply swap if they are greater, if the element to the right is greater than the current element. This is the most simplest approach for bubble sort algorithm. We can furthermore optimize the bubble sort algorithm, which would just reduce the execution time. So the question is how we would do that. What if we create another extra variable, and let's say for swap, and if it is true, then it means the elements have already been sorted or swapped, otherwise it's set to false. How would this help is it would just simply save us the repeated iteration, save us some time. So for that, what would we need to change in the code? We will just go to this loop. In this condition, array j plus 1, and simply initially in this loop we will have created a variable which is, let's say, swap is equal to, and initially it would be false. Moving on, at the end of this swapping we will just uh, make swap true, and then we will go back to this loop of once the whole iteration is completed. We will just write if not swap, then break the whole operation. This is the optimized form of bubble sort. It will reduce the execution time and help optimize this bubble sort. So that's it for today's tutorial. Thank you so much guys for joining. If you found it useful, hit the like and subscribe button. Thank you.